In this video, I'm going to show you how to create PowerPoint presentations with ChatGPT AI step by step so you can turn a simple idea into a polished presentation in just a few minutes. If you want to save time, speed up your workflow, and make better presentations without starting from scratch, this is going to help a lot. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI and software guides. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT. Once you're in, think about the topic of your presentation and the number of slides you want. A really simple prompt could be something like, create a 3-slide presentation on digital marketing PowerPoint. You can also be more specific if you want. For example, ask for a professional tone, simple wording, or a presentation for beginners. The more clear your prompt is, the better the result will be. After you enter the prompt, ChatGPT will generate content for each slide. Usually, it will give you slide titles, bullet points, and content ideas that you can use directly in your presentation. This is the part that saves the most time because instead of brainstorming everything yourself, ChatGPT gives you a ready-made structure to work with. If needed, you can ask it to make the slides shorter, more detailed, more persuasive, or more visually friendly. Once ChatGPT has created the presentation content, take a moment to review it. Make sure the slide titles make sense, the bullet points are clear, and the flow from one slide to the next feels natural. If you want, you can refine the prompt and ask ChatGPT to rewrite any section that feels too long or too vague. This is a great way to get better results before you even move into PowerPoint. Next, after the content is ready, it may take a little time to generate the PPT file depending on the tool or method you're using. When it's finished, click the download button and save the presentation to your device. Then open it in PowerPoint so you can start customizing the design. This is where your presentation starts to feel more polished and professional. Now go to the Design tab inside PowerPoint. Here, you'll see different themes and layout options that can instantly change the look of your slides. Choose a theme that matches your topic and audience. For example, if you're making a business presentation, go with a clean and modern design. If it's for a school project or creative topic, you can choose something a little more colorful or visual. After selecting a theme, start adding images and icons to make the slides more engaging. Visuals help break up text and make your presentation easier to understand. You can insert relevant images, use icons for bullet points, or add charts if you want to show data. The goal is to make the slides look clear, attractive, and easy to follow without overcrowding them. As you design, keep your slides simple. Avoid putting too much text on one slide, and make sure the font is large enough to read easily. Use the content from ChatGPT as a starting point, then adjust the layout so everything looks balanced. A good presentation is not just about the words, it's also about the way the information is displayed. If you want to make the presentation even better, you can ask ChatGPT for speaker notes, a stronger introduction, or a conclusion slide. You can also ask it to rewrite the content in a more formal, educational, or marketing style depending on your audience. That flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of using AI for PowerPoint presentations. So to quickly recap, first ask ChatGPT to create your slide content, then download the presentation, open it in PowerPoint, go to the Design tab, choose a theme, and finally add images and icons to improve the visual quality. With this process, you can create professional-looking presentations much faster than doing everything manually. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.